Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be doing Hallelujah by Jeff Buckley. Okay, there's quite a few chords in this one, so I might break it up into two videos. But first of all, let's tune up. If you're not in tune with me, go and watch the tuning video and then come back here. So, each string twice. We've got starting with E. Okay, great. So let's get started. Important things to note about this song is that the song is arpeggiated rather than strums. So arpeggiating means that instead of strumming through the chords, okay, we're picking the chords like this. Or if you're using your thumb. Okay? So some of you might find it difficult to go down and back up. That's fine. We can work with that, okay? So the song is in what we call 6/8. Basically means 6 beats on each chord. Or they're all grouped up in groups of 6 or 3 because 3 fits into 6. Okay? So there's a bit of maths for you, but that's okay. That's what music is. Here we go. Starting with C major, we're going to play it for 6 beats. So that's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't want to go back up again, we can break it up into 4 by doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then resting for 2 beats, because 4 add 2 is 6. So we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? Or if we play the other notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? And then we've got A minor, okay? So C to A minor. It's a very easy change. We only have to move one finger. So C is 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, and 1st fret B string. And then A minor is open A, 2nd fret D, 2nd fret G, and 1st fret B. So we're just moving from the 3rd fret A to 2nd fret D, 2nd fret G, sorry. Great. And then we've got F major, which is just like C, except we move these 2 fingers down a string. So C is like this. F major is 3rd fret D string and 2nd fret G string and 1st fret B string. That finger stays there. From C, A minor, and F. Our first finger doesn't move, yeah? So what have we got? We've got C major, A minor, we've got F, okay, and we've also got a G, which we can do as big G. So that looks like 3rd fret big E, 2nd fret A string, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd fret thin E. Or we can do it as little g. So open G, open B, and 3rd fret thin E. Yep, so that's all our chords for this song. So let's get started with section 1. Okay, so this is like the intro and the first verse, right? So we've got C major. Yeah. So we're strumming from our A string to our D, G, B, and then back up to our G and D. So that makes 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't want to go back up, if you find that difficult, we can just strum down to our B string. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then rest for 2 beats. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we're going to go to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to go to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to G. Or little g. So there's our chords. Okay. So let's break them down in their proper order. So we've got C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to G major. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then the song goes into our second section. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky because our chords are broken up into different times. So some chords are 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And some of them are just 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And the reason they're broken up into 3 is because we go from one chord to the other. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And obviously 3 and 3 is 6. So altogether we've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So go back over from the first section. Just get that into your heads. And then practice those chord changes slowly. And then we're going to move on to the second section. Okay. So our second section is going to start with C major. And it's going to be for 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it's going to be F for 3. 1, 2, 3. And then G major for 3. 1, 2, 3. And then A minor for 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then A minor for 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then back to C. Okay, so the second section is quite a lot going on. So I'm not going to go into it too much further in this video. But just go through it like we just did then, just to get your chords understood, okay, and how long each chord lasts for. And then in another video, we'll break that down into smaller chunks, okay, so that we can understand it easier. Okay, so we've got our sections out of the way, and we've got our chords, and we've got our picking pattern. So what I'm going to do is put some chords on the screen and just go through the first section slowly, and then a fast version. Okay? So, starting with C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, great. So I'm going to do that full speed now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, Okay, so great. What I'll do is I'll make another video for next week where we'll go into section 2 and break it down into smaller chunks so we can learn that bit too. See you soon. Bye bye.